Wait, really? They're peanut butter? What? What? No, I thought they were just like sugar cookies.
No.
Dude. Welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back.
Okay, so like, I thought this was a really dumb intro idea, but Victoria had a dream, so her idea, not mine. That's all.
I had a dream, and that's what it was. So that's what we're doing, even though it's not my user channel.
Sitting all alone, mouth full of gum in the driveway.
Today we are baking.
Why are you screaming?
Yeah, why are you on the mic? And I feel like you can't hear.
Just wait to hear it.
Okay, we are making what type of cookies?
Peanut butter with Hershey Kisses.
Peanut butter with
What's it called?
Hershey Kisses.
Peanut butter blossom.
Peanut butter blossom. Miss me yet? Of course, hun.
I don't know
Just
what
take me to
password is.
Starbucks.
What's your? Oh, I have 5 password.
It's like YZ87. It's one of those weird.
What? It's like the SpongeBob. I need water. Is nobody trying to help?
To be in the center. Do you know what you're doing?
My brother? No.
Did you just?
What if I did?
I wasn't.
I would not.
I'm sorry. You really hurt me.
Get a large mixing bowl.
Oh, let me preheat. So mix together.
Look
a
how
half-
many they have. A half a cup.
No, mix together a cup of sugar. Here's the sugar.
A cup of sugar. Stop! Wait, what were you doing? Playing with the brown sugar.
The butter's ready. What are you doing?
With bread.
Are you getting peanut butter in my eggs?
Excuse me.
Alright, now we beat this. Beat it like I
Do it.
Stop it. Not gonna.
Oh my god.
Ah! I can play last time I ate hammer.
I don't understand how this works. Be nice to my new mixer.
I thought it was Kayla's new mixer.
Mom, it's not going.
Do we need this? I don't know what that logic was. Oh.
My buddy. Oh yeah, really?
And here's our good friend Spoon being used again.
I have the radio.
What is this? I listen to WMMR.
This egg is like circular.
What is that?
It's a brown.
Your dog.
Teaspoons of vanilla. I love noodles. Fun fact. Fun fact today. I love noodles. Amelia, that's not all
That's
3
not
horse. You need more.
Goes all the way up to the top. She doesn't know how to bake.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I have a cooking show
Yeah, but you probably
on HGTV.
HGTV.
Yep. It's called
Property Brothers.
No. It's called Cook in the Home I Just Bought.
There's flour all over you. And it's your cooking show.
Yeah. And you see, I buy homes just to cook in them.
Do I put it in? Like this video if you want me to come back.
Like this video and subscribe
Like this video if you like
me the best. Win a bag of my pee.
Why? Why?
Nobody's gonna like the video. Then just like it. I don't care. This just tastes like by itself.
Not good.
I feel like it would taste like. It tastes like salt, kind of.
What was the bag?
Like, ready? 1, 2,
I can't
go. Do you remember the ever heard me sing? Yeah, but I can't actually. I sound like a dying cat pig.
That's
I got my ticket from the long way round.
You guys form little. Here.
Just get a pan.
Make your butt. Make your butt.
You put your peanut butter in the fridge, correct?
No, who does that?
Me. So
Who's this?
I told you I would call you.
really suck at like.
What?
No.
We're
That
making
works.
the cookies. I'm gonna bring you lots of cookies because I love you.
I'm doing very good.
You're not doing anything. Shut up.
Neither are you.
Okay, but I'm not saying I'm doing good.
Do we put these much thingies in it now?
Kayla and Betty.
Okay. We're making the video interesting.
Say hello.
They can't.
No, it's really far back.
Can we? This is how she closes her peanut butter. It's not even closed. Yeah. Let me see how long I have to cook for.
You too. I was helping.
I'm trying. Why do I look like two idiots?
And this is what I mean by idiots.
So we're putting the Hershey little thingy-majigs in it, if you're wondering. If you're following along at home.
If you're following
If you're following along at
Not really
home.
a confusing recipe.
How's it going? Find out. These don't feel done. Just testing.
Wow. Stop.
I feel like out of like our little mini friend group, me and Victoria are probably the most similar out of anyone.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
7.
And then you can put some on here too. Actually, this one's not cool.
8.
No offense, but you and Gia both aren't really similar to. You guys are kind of similar, but at the same time not.
Oh, I'm just the odd one out.
What is
Yeah, no, I feel like Maddie is more similar to
Whoa,
Gia
whoa,
than
whoa,
Kayla.
whoa, honey.
What?
What is this?
Yeah, I probably am more similar to you.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, Kayla, you're really not similar to anyone.
Kayla's the mom. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
But like Gia
4,
can be a
5,
mom,
6,
and like Maddie
7, 8,
is
9,
never a
10.
mom. But like other than
I'm the
that,
aggressive
Gia and
one.
Maddie are similar. The aggressive one.
I really am, dude.
These little things are mine.
I get so mad so easily.
I'm the
The
think I have anger
child. You're
issues.
the baby. And,
thanks.
Okay, how many are there
No,
now?
I think I'm like the like annoying one.
Something.
Yeah.
12. Okay, yeah, good.
I love
You
that
can
for
fit
me.
more on this one.
Are you sure?
Usually
Guys,
I
think
do
you're supposed to let them
5.
cool
by
a little
3.
longer before you do
I'm
that.
just like the basic dumb blonde.
So next time we'll let them cool
That's
a little
so
longer.
bad.
Well, maybe not. Well, like I'm the dumb brunette.
Like we're both dumb, but like I'm like blonde. So what if you dyed your hair blonde?
I look exactly like you. I feel like.
You would look like weird.
I feel like I look exactly like you.
I debated dyeing my hair brown because it's so annoying to dye blonde, but I would look so.
You would look so weird. I can let my dog go in.
No, I would look like Julia. Like
We look like
Julia?
me.
who's Julia?
I feel like we look
My
the same.
sibling.
Put them on there now, sweetheart.
I feel like me and you look like the same.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that.
I don't know. We would have like we would look the same from the back,
Yeah.
but like our faces aren't similar at all. So
I'm gonna do 11 minutes now for this.
wait, you stick them in the microwave?
You idiot.
Oh,
That's the timer.
Well, I was
Dumb
like, are
blonde.
you insane? Why are you putting the cookies in the
you're not allowed to
microwave?
dye your hair brown. Because you're gonna make us look bad.
That's the last one. How many cookies?
There was
You can eat one.
15 on one on one tray and like 12 on the other.
Ready?
So this is our taste test.
Wait, I don't have
Oh, it's a little wet.
Okay,
3, 2, 1.
Wow, a cookie. Tastes like every other cookie.
You're really good.
I love these cookies though.
I just spit some out.
Oh,
Actually, they are done.
yeah. No, you have to put your initials on the
So
cookie.
No.
Amelia decided to put her initials on the
Can't
cookie,
even see it.
and it doesn't even look like that.
We
Finished our beautiful cookies. 10 out of 10. Hire me as your new top chef.
Hire me, honestly. I was way better than her.
I think Maddie and I are better at all of that.
Okay, you don't count. You're irrelevant.
Yeah, I'm irrelevant to me.
Me and Amelia were the best. I was number 1 though.
I just pretend to be your friend. What?
Leave! Goodbye!
Ow.
How do you make an outro?
Well, thanks for watching my video.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe, like, leave a comment down below.
Join the notification squad!
Leave a comment if you put peanut butter in your fridge, because that's normal.
It is not normal! Alright, are we done now?
Okay, now we.
Bye!
Maybe it's in the gutter.